to all good citizens, communities, churches, companies, industries and other organizations. The government of Vanuatu, through the Department of Environment Protection and Conservation (DEPC), is kindly requesting everyone to help protect the ozone layer to safeguard our environment and health. The Montreal Protocol under the Vienna Convention is an international treaty that is designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production of substances that deplete the ozone layer. As a signatory to the Montreal Protocol under the Vienna Convention since 1994, Vanuatu has an obligation to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production and the importation of substances that destroy the ozone layer. Therefore, the government has established the Ozone Layer Protection Act 2010 and the Ozone Layer Amendment Act 2014, which empowers the Ozone Unit to carry out its activities in order to fulfill its obligations. The Act covers two main parts. Part 1 covers the prohibited goods that contain a class of chemicals called CFCs, which are banned from importation under the Montreal obligations. Part 2 covers the restricted goods that contain a class of chemicals called HCFCs, which can be imported only with an import license. In addition, the alternatives to HCFCs, the HFCs, for example R134, will soon be restricted because they also contribute to global warming. The OLP Act also covers the licensing of refrigeration and air conditioning or RAC technicians. The Good Practices in Refrigeration or GPR training run by the Ozone Unit helps the RAC technicians to handle the equipment which contain ozone depleting substances or ODS and their alternatives in order to prevent the release of these gases into the atmosphere and destroy the ozone layer and increase global warming. Under the OLP Act, the RAC technicians must be certified and have a license to operate. The Ozone Unit also organizes other activities such as the International Ozone Day to create awareness on the importance of protecting the ozone layer, thus protecting humankind and our environment. What is the ozone layer? The ozone layer is an invisible thin shield that protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun. What are the ozone depleting substances or ODS? ODS are refrigerants or gases which are used in air conditioning units, refrigeration units, fire extinguishers, aerosols, and many more. They can destroy the ozone layer, contribute to global warming, and they can have an impact on human health by causing skin damage, eye damage, premature aging, and skin cancer. How can I know what gas is used in my fridge or air conditioner? Look behind the fridge or air conditioner. All of them have labels, example R22 or R134, within a section of information on the equipment. The DEPC is calling on everyone to work together to stop the depletion of the ozone layer, which can affect our agriculture, economy, tourism, and our health. To prevent this, start planning to use low or zero global warming potential or GWP gases. Join us. Let's do this together. Help us protect the ozone layer and also reduce global warming. Contact DEPC for more information.